Hey, we're creating 24 automations that are going to fool your Sheets users. They are fun automations you can add to your Sheets to reap absolute chaos to your colleagues, to your boss, anyone you want. In this video, we're going to type Excel or Microsoft Excel and change it to Google Sheets every time we type that. We can use the on-edit automation. I think this is really cool. The last video, we turned boss into boss with dollar signs. Very similar. If you're looking to get all of these automations, make sure you go to bettersheets.co/sheetfools. Download it right now. It's absolutely free. Go get it. So in our sheet, we're going to go to extensions, app script. Here, we already have our turn boss into boss and our onEdit. We have a function onEdit. We can only have one per sheet. So I'm going to take out that last function, and we're going to write a new function. Function turn Excel into sheets. And we need an E. That's that data that we're going to get with each of those onEdit actions. And again, we're going to do something very similar down here, but it'll be a little different. Variable range equals E.range. Variable value equals range.getValue. If value.to lowercase includes Microsoft Excel, then in curly brackets, variable new value equals value.replace. And here we'll do Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets. This is just saying take wherever it says Microsoft Excel and replace it with Google Sheets. Range.setValue, new value. There. Now, in order to use this in an onEdit, we need to put it here. Turn Excel into Sheets. Make sure you include the E here as well, because this is that variable that's going to hold that information. It's like an event variable. We just don't want to type out event. Save. And now, if I go to a new sheet and I go Microsoft Excel, just need to come back and actually put a C in replace. Save. Now, every time we type Microsoft Excel, it'll change to Google Sheets. Hey, there's a Microsoft Excel in my... Changes that to Google Sheets. There you go. Every single time. Really fun automation you can add to your sheet. Check out bettersheets.co/sheetfools for all of these automations, every single one of them, for free. Download the sheet, put it in your Google Drive, get all of these 24 automations coming out today. Sheet Fools.